In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your Roku isn't connected to your internet Wi-Fi. So the first thing you want to do is scroll down to settings. Then we're going to scroll over and select network. And then we're going to go to setup connection and we're going to select wireless. Now, sometimes your Roku player can be disconnected from your Wi-Fi if you've changed your password or if you haven't used it in a long time in my case. So what you want to do is try to reconnect to your wireless network once it pops up. And what you could also try and do if you're experiencing issues with connecting to your Wi Fi is to first unplug your router for 30 to 60 seconds, plug it back in, and you could also disconnect your Roku for about 30 to 60 seconds, plug it back in, and then try and connect to your Wi Fi. And you'll know it's worked if you take a look in the top right corner and you'll see it doesn't say not connected anymore. And of course, all of your channels will load as well. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.